Righto guys, my name's Mason and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough on my 2007 VE SV6. So starting off guys, got a set of aftermarket rims, you know, just your basics, 20-inch Advanis, 245 by 35. No special tyres on it, this really was beneficial for me at the time. Didn't really bother me, still doesn't bother me, I can skid them anyway. As you can see guys, it's still a monster truck. As far as suspension goes, completely bone stock. Had plans to chop some springs, but even for me that's a bit dodgy. But I'm happy where it is now. Future plans are a set of coilovers, going to slam it. As far as exhaust goes guys, it's just a full calf back straight pipe, 2.5 inch to a 3-inch dump tip. It sounds pretty hectic. I mean, the drone is tremendous, but you shut the up. So, it's better than stock for me. I love being loud and obnoxious. I've received quite a few complaints, even read on the mail. But I love it as loud as it can be. I'm happy with it. I love it. Crackles and pops on the downshift. Future plans to go for a proper exhaust just for the hell of it, make it a bit less rattly because it does have a few things in it. It's got a big dent in it at the moment from snapped my drive shaft, big centre bearing to the side of it. As far as engine bay goes, it's bone stock. Haven't really done much. I mean, it's a bit dirty, a little bit of coolant, but it's got a hectic K&N air filter, you know, because performance. Apart from that, she's bone stock. Had plans to do a few like intake and cams and all that, but with all this coronavirus stuff, it's a bit tight on money. So, okay, so here comes the sound. Everything you've all been waiting for. I mean, it's not that bad, but she's all right. A bit dodgy on the start-up. We'll give it a few revs. So, you guys can say what you want about SV6 exhaust. The better it is for me, the better. But besides that, it's my car. Well guys, thanks for watching, really appreciate it. If you want to see more of me and my Commodore, give it a like, subscribe. Yeah, thanks for watching, hit that like button and subscribe. Peace.